Meta just made smart glasses the headliner. Just announced at Meta Connect 2025, 3 new AI glasses, a neural band wrist controller, and a metaverse toolkit that promises faster worlds, plus TV in headsets have been announced. I'm Tetiana, this is Disco VR, and here's everything that's been announced at Meta Connect this year, what's coming next, and why you might actually wear this stuff. First things first, Meta has just introduced Ray-Ban Meta's second generation, and it is available today starting at $379, promising up to 2 times the battery life compared to the previous model, plus 3K Ultra HD video capture with higher pixel count for cleaner and smoother clips. Meta also flagged new capture modes like hyperlapse and slow motion rolling out, and conversation focus is coming soon. Conversation focus is a voice isolation feature that boosts the person you're talking to through the open-air speakers. Now, this is the right Gen 2 move. Improved endurance and meaningfully better video. It feels like an immediate win, especially because Gen 1 was already a huge success. This is the kind of update that can make wearing these kind of glasses more of a habit. Longer battery is probably one of the most important upgrades, and all the extra features add more reasons to pull out your phone less often. Now, we've also got something new. Oakley Meta Vanguard is positioned as a performance model for athletes and really active users. With 122 FOV and a 12-megapixel camera, 3K video at 30 frames per second, slow motion and hyperlapse modes, this actually looks like an amazing pair of glasses. It'll have up to 9 hours of battery life or up to 6 hours of continuous music playback, enough to last you through a marathon. It will cost you $499, and pre-orders are open now, but it will be sold starting October 21st. These glasses are for really active users, like actually physically active. That's why durability and sweat resistance need to be excellent for these glasses to live up to their expectations and intentions, and of course to justify the more premium price. And now here is something amazing. Meta finally put a real display in Ray-Bans with 42 ppd. Meta even says that it's higher resolution than any of the consumer VR headsets. It's built for glanceable overlays though, not for fully immersive VR. Think messages, prompts, or quick controls without the weight and power hit of full pass-through AR. Every pair ships bundled with the Meta Neural Band, which is a wrist controller that reads tiny EMG signals for silent, low-friction input and claims up to 18 hours of battery life. The price is $799, and honestly, that almost seems too low for that kind of technology. In-store demos and sales will start on September 30. So the way these glasses work is, you're not anchoring 3D holograms to your room. You're getting a heads-up layer that appears in one eye and goes away when you're done. And that matches the use case that Meta is pushing: quick notifications, capture confirmations, and bite-sized assistive prompts, and lightweight navigation or even translation moments, stuff that's annoying to do on your phone but perfect at eye level. This looks like a really long-awaited bridge between capture-only smart glasses and full augmented reality, something in between. There's a couple of things that I think about right away when I imagine using these glasses in practice every day. First one being, just how legible the display text will be outdoors. And second, whether these glasses will spam notifications, because I tend to get too many notifications on my phone that I often choose to ignore, but if they pop up literally in front of my eye, that can get annoying and spammy fast. Also, I imagine that monocular HUDs can cause some serious fatigue if you read long text in one eye, so they need to make sure that these interactions are short and glancy. But overall, I think that we've just become one big step closer to AR becoming our daily habit. Clear text at a glance, silent wrist input, and hardware that you actually don't mind to wear all day. Is it inspiring or alarming? Let me know in the comments what you think. In other updates, during Meta Connect, Meta introduced Horizon Engine and Horizon Studio. They are new building blocks for higher fidelity worlds with faster performance and shorter loading times. Basically, world loading is supposed to be 4 times faster, and it should support a much larger concurrent crowd. They promise over 100 users in a single space. Wow! On top of it, there's also Meta Horizon Studio, a new editor and hub that rolls in the generative tools and lets creators talk to the editor in plain language, like change the scenery to sci-fi, that sort of things, anything you want really, so you can iterate faster without diving into code for every tweak. It really sounds so futuristic. Basically, anyone can feel like they're a VR game developer. Do you think that these updates will help Horizon fill their servers with more users and more creators, or will it still be a ghost town? Let me know in the comments. And something else that's interesting announced at Meta Connect, Meta launched Horizon TV. Horizon TV is a new centralized hub on Quest that pulls big streamers into one place. Disney Plus is officially coming to Quest. There will be content from Hulu and ESPN routed through the Horizon Store and the Horizon TV app. Essentially, they're trying to create a single interface for shows, movies, sports, music, plus an immersive lane for 3D clips and special effects. There's already an exclusive 3D teaser for James Cameron's Avatar, Fire and Ash, which is available for a limited time in Horizon TV, so if you have a Quest, hurry up and go watch it while it's still there. Meta are also collaborating with Universal Pictures, Nexus Studios, and Blumhouse to push horror titles like Megan and The Black Phone with headset-specific effects. This is no doubt a retention strategy. If Horizon TV is actually fast, region-aware, and keeps you in Horizon between apps, then there will be more people hanging out in the worlds and in live events. If streaming is smooth and you will get to watch together moments with your friends, then it can boost retention of users to come back daily. I see more and more signs that Meta is kind of stepping away from gaming a bit and really focusing on user retention via media tools rather than VR gaming. Do you get the same impression? After all, VR content creators were not invited to the Meta Connect this year for the first time in a long time. Meta Connect 2025 was filled with AI glasses and other AI tools, but not at all immersive VR gaming. Interesting. Do you think that's a signal for a larger shift? Let me know what you think about these news dropped at Meta Connect in the comments, and make sure to check more news about everything VR related in this next video. Remember to subscribe for more fun and informative content like this, and I will see you in the next one.